Are you ready to create stunning brochures effortlessly? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a brochure in Canva step by step. Whether you're promoting an event, showcasing a product, or just expressing your creative side, the right brochure can make a huge difference. And with Canva, it's easier than ever to design something professional looking in just a few clicks. First, let's get started by opening Canva. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's super quick to sign up and it opens up a world of design possibilities. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Canva's interface is clean and intuitive, but today we're focusing on one main tool, the search bar in the center of the main menu. In that search bar, type in brochure and hit enter. Instantly, you'll see a wide variety of brochure templates. Canva offers options ranging from single-page brochures to trifold and bifold designs. Take your time to scroll through them. Think about your content and which layout suits it best. For example, a trifold brochure works perfectly if you want to organize information into neat sections, while a single-page design is ideal for bold visuals or a concise message. Choosing the right template at this stage will set the tone for your entire brochure. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to start customizing. Here's where Canva really shines. You can easily change colors, fonts, images, and more to match your brand or personal style. Every element is flexible, allowing you to create a brochure that truly reflects your vision. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can always undo or adjust anything if it doesn't feel right. When your design is complete, Canva gives you multiple options. You can download your brochure as a high-quality file or even order professional printing directly through Canva. This makes it incredibly convenient, whether you're designing for digital sharing or physical distribution. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to find the perfect brochure template in Canva and customize it to create something professional and eye-catching. Now, it's your turn. Let your creativity flow and bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching and happy designing.